Welcome to our channel. Today we how to evaluate business risk factors step by step clearly. Begin by defining what business risk factors are. Identify the various types of risks that may affect your business. Categorize risks into external and internal factors. Examine external factors such as economic conditions. Consider regulatory changes and legal issues that may arise. Evaluate competitive pressures within your industry. Analyze technological advancements that could impact operations. Shift focus to internal risk factors like operational efficiency. Assess your company's financial health and stability. Investigate human resource capabilities and employee morale. Next, conduct a thorough risk assessment. Gather relevant data from both internal and external sources. Engage stakeholders for insights and input on potential risks. Utilize tools like SWOT analysis to evaluate strengths and weaknesses. Create a risk matrix to prioritize identified risks. Determine the likelihood and impact of each risk factor. Develop mitigation strategies for the top risks identified. Outline action plans to address these risks effectively. Assign responsibilities to appropriate team members. Implement monitoring systems to track risk factors over time. Review and adjust risk management strategies regularly. Ensure continuous communication with your team regarding risks. Document all risk evaluations and adjustments for future reference. Stay informed about industry trends and emerging risks. Encourage a culture of risk awareness throughout the organization. Make risk evaluation a routine part of your business planning. Remain proactive in identifying and managing risks effectively. This will help safeguard your business against potential setbacks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.